Hello, this is Rob with Auto Sales Unlimited. Today we've got a 2012 GMC Sierra 3500 HD, which is a 1-ton. This is a 4x4, and like I said, it's a diesel Duramax 6.6 liter with an Allison transmission. I'm going to do a walk around and startup of this vehicle. Comes in this silver color, has some nice options. It does have fog lights down below, tow hooks, all that good stuff. Like I said, it's a 1-ton. Body looks really good. Crew cab. It's got a tow package. So this is a SLE model. And it does have rhino coating in the back. All right, let's start in the back seat. Door cards look good. The seats actually look really good. Doesn't look like much of anybody has sat back here. Tinted rear windows. Does have the mirrors that extend. This door card looks nice. Does have power windows, locks, mirrors, and window lockout on the door. The seat, there is a little bit of a wear, which is common on most trucks, getting in and out. It's a rat rock. Sorry, distraction here. The passenger seat does not have that. It looks like it's in good shape. Also, this is the third bench that comes up. Get inside. So everything else pretty stock. You do have, your cruise control, and then you have your phone, everything for your Bluetooth, and then volume control and all your stereo stuff. Over here you do have like stock stereo, your climate control, 2 high, 4 high, 4 low. Everything, it's a nice truck. Got 140,044 miles on the Odo. Not bad at all. And let's start it up. So there's a check engine light on, and that's because this truck has a delete kit. But let's fire it up. Starts right up, purrs right along. Really a super nice truck. It's going to go through its systems checks, but yeah, like I said, the check engine light does have a delete kit on this truck, so that way the check engine light's on, and then you do have a screen right here that tells you what's going on. So this is Rob with Auto Sales Unlimited. Come out and check out this 1-ton SLE GMC Sierra 4x4. Really a super nice truck. Come out and take it for a drive and go from there. We work with a lot of credit unions and national banks, lenders that work with bad credit, no credit as well. So no matter what, we could try to find a lending solution for you if you do have a little bit of challenges getting some credit. Oh, also it does have your brake, trailer brakes as well. Okay, once again, this is Rob, Auto Sales Unlimited. Give us a call, 360-273-0711 is our office, or you can contact me directly on my company cell, 360-523-8585, and feel free to reach out. We're located in Rochester, Washington, right on the only lighted intersection on Highway 12 in Albany. So we're not too far south of Olympia, Washington, north of Centralia, Washington. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know if you have any questions.